Can food really heal? Discover the power of nutrition in alleviating lower back pain. Learn how specific foods can reduce inflammation and promote healing. Stay tuned to find out which foods can make a difference in your back health. Turmeric, nature's golden remedy for lower back pain. Let's kick things off with a spice that's been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries: turmeric. You probably know it as the ingredient that gives curry its vibrant yellow hue, but turmeric is so much more than just a culinary staple. At the heart of turmeric's power lies a compound called curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Imagine curcumin as a firefighter rushing to extinguish the flames of inflammation in your body. Inflammation is often the root cause of that nagging pain in your lower back, and curcumin works wonders to tame it. In fact, a study published in the prestigious journal Spine found that curcumin was effective in reducing pain and improving function in people with lower back pain. Adding turmeric to your diet is incredibly easy. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into your soups and stews, or even enjoy it in a warm glass of golden milk before bed. Trust me, your back will thank you for it. Ginger, soothe your back one sip at a time. Next up is another kitchen superstar with a long history of easing pain: ginger. Just like turmeric, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It works by blocking the production of certain chemicals in the body that trigger inflammation and pain. Think of ginger as a gentle massage for your aching back, relaxing those tense muscles and easing the discomfort. Studies have shown that ginger can be particularly helpful in reducing pain associated with osteoarthritis, a condition that often affects the lower back. Whether you prefer it in a soothing cup of tea, grated into stir-fries, or even candied, incorporating ginger into your daily routine is a delicious way to show your back some love. Salmon, dive into pain relief with omega-3s. Now let's dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids, and there's no better place to find them than in fatty fish like salmon. Omega-3s are like lubricants for your joints, helping to reduce stiffness and improve mobility. They also possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, acting like a calming balm on your lower back. Imagine your lower back as a rusty hinge. Omega-3s are the oil that helps it swing open and closed smoothly and effortlessly. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3 rich fish like salmon can significantly reduce lower back pain and improve overall function. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon, tuna, or mackerel per week. You can grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it as sashimi. Your taste buds and your back will be happy you did. Let's move on to another Mediterranean staple that's incredibly beneficial for your lower back: olive oil. Olive oil is chock full of healthy fats and antioxidants, but the real star of the show is a compound called oleocanthal. Oleocanthal is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that works in a similar way to some over-the-counter pain relievers. It effectively blocks the production of pain-causing chemicals in the body, providing natural relief from lower back pain. A study published in the journal Nature found that oleocanthal had a significant impact on inflammation, even comparing its effects to ibuprofen. Drizzle it generously on salads, use it for cooking, or simply enjoy it with a crusty piece of bread. Your back will be singing your praises. Green tea, sip your way to a pain-free back. Calling all tea lovers. Your daily cup of green tea might be the key to soothing your aching back. Green tea is brimming with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins. These powerful compounds work wonders in fighting inflammation throughout the body, including your lower back. Think of green tea as a gentle detox for your back, flushing out harmful toxins and reducing inflammation that can contribute to pain. Studies have shown that green tea extract can significantly reduce pain and improve function in people with lower back pain. Swap your morning coffee for a cup of green tea, enjoy it as an afternoon pick-me-up, or sip on it after dinner. Your back will be thanking you for the refreshing relief. Nuts and seeds, tiny but mighty pain relievers. Don't underestimate the power of these nutritional powerhouses. Nuts and seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function and relaxation, making it a valuable ally in the fight against lower back pain. Imagine magnesium as a gentle massage therapist, working out the knots and tension in your back muscles. When your muscles are relaxed, you're less likely to experience pain and stiffness. Snack on a handful of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds throughout the day. Sprinkle them on salads, or add them to your trail mix. Your back will be thanking you for the extra boost of magnesium. Berries, bite-sized bursts of back-saving antioxidants. Next, let's indulge in the vibrant world of berries. From blueberries to strawberries to raspberries, berries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly a group called anthocyanins. These antioxidants are like little warriors, fighting off inflammation and protecting your body from damage. Imagine berries as tiny shields, protecting your lower back from the damaging effects of inflammation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can significantly reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to a healthier back. Enjoy a handful of berries as a snack, add them to your yogurt or smoothies, or use them to top off your breakfast cereal. Your taste buds and your back will be singing your praises. Now, let's dive into one more bonus tip that's as delicious as it is effective: pineapple. This tropical fruit is not just a sweet treat but also a powerhouse of pain relief. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that bromelain can help reduce pain and swelling, making it a fantastic addition to your lower back pain management toolkit. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing pineapple smoothie or enjoying a few slices as a snack. It's not only tasty, but also a natural way to help soothe your back pain. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a pineapple. Your back will thank you. In our final segment, let's explore the soothing world of herbal teas. These natural brews have been used for centuries to alleviate pain and discomfort. Chamomile, ginger, and turmeric teas are particularly beneficial for lower back pain. Chamomile tea helps relax tense muscles, while ginger tea boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric tea, with its active compound curcumin, offers powerful pain relief. Imagine winding down your evening with a warm cup of herbal tea, melting away the day's stress and easing your back pain. Incorporate these teas into your daily routine and you'll find a gentle, natural way to support your back health. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a pain-free life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health insights. See you next time.